Hello and welcome to this course, the Quick Start Guide to Generating Leads with Facebook and Instagram ads. In this course, I'll walk you through the essential steps to create, launch and optimize a lead generation campaign. My goal is to provide you with simple, actionable steps so you can start seeing results quickly. So let's dive in. First of all, each lesson is intentionally as short as possible, because I'm working on the assumption that you are here to take action rather than to simply consume new information. So if you're here to launch a lead generation campaign, then I strongly recommend that you implement each step of the process I'm going to share with you as you go. That means that you'll actually get to the end of the course and you will have created your campaign and launched your campaign. So this course is also a valuable resource for you if you prefer to delegate this entire process rather than dedicating your time and efforts personally. And I encourage all of my agency clients to complete this course to ensure that they're fully informed and have absolute clarity in regards to the services that I'm providing for them. So you can either do it yourself or you can let me do it for you. But either way, as a business owner, I guarantee that the few hours that you spend with me here throughout this course will prove to be very worthwhile. So let's get cracking.